a 2024 Toyota 4Runner key fob here, and I'm going to open it up and show you how to pull the battery out. So we're going to flip it over, and we're going to remove the emergency key first. There's a sliding button here that we're going to slide to the right, and then we can pull the emergency key out, okay? That's going to give us access to this little slot that's right here, all right? Not the slot the key fob went in, the key went in, but there's another slot like right here. And what we're going to do is put a flathead screwdriver in the slot and just turn it, and that cracks the remote open. See how I did that? And then we can take the back cover off. Now what we want to do is we want to hold this thing with our thumb like this. We want to hold it all together, because once you open it up, everything gets loose in here and it can fall out. Now you can take this out if you want, or you can hold it just like I am. And there's a slot right here at the bottom that's going to allow you to put your screwdriver in here and pry the battery out. All right, I'm going to show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. And I'm going to have that in the description box if you need that again. I'll also have a link that takes you to Amazon if you need to get a new battery. So check that out. They're like $2. Just get the back half of the remote now. And you just stick it on here and snap it together. Make sure it's all together all the way around. Put the emergency key back in, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button for me.